Guys, I've been getting a lot of messages from some of my subscribers asking me if we can trade volatility 51 seconds using this same strategy. Of course, we can trade volatility 51 seconds using this same strategy. In short, you can trade any asset with a setup. It is very easy, and I'm going to go straight into it. Okay, but before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to this platform. If you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. I believe you all still know the setup. Let me show you the setup quickly. These are the setup. It is a new setup, and of course you can take the screenshot. Okay, that's on the main charts window indicator, and the second asset on the window indicator. So this makes it very easy. So let's get back to this. Now let me explain to you what and what you need to do in order for you to make sure you are making profit right here. Remember, this is a mobile setup and it is very simple and easy to use. Okay, this setup will help you to make some good amount of money right from here, most especially if you are not having the custom made indicator. However, if you want to make more money, any of the two custom made indicators on my channel will help you to make lots of money, more than the setup you are about to see right here. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So you can see these are trend trading assets. These actually got to this resistance zone, and you can see that right here on this resistance. First of all, I'm on 1 minute time frame. You can see this right here. I want to start with a very small time frame so that you all will know that you can trade for a very long time or within a short period of time. Okay, so this is 1 minute time frame, which I believe is safe for a very small account, and of course for someone with zero knowledge. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so from the resistance zone, it was unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend somewhere here after having a crossing of the three signals right there. Okay, and of course for us to confirm this, we need to come down to the trading, to the indicator window. This indicator window already shows us that the lines are above 70, which means the market has overbought. So if it is not breaking out from the resistance zone, then it should sell. Okay, so you can see all we just need is this breakdown, the down break, the downward crossing of the two lines that are there. Okay, so that is it, and it happened around there, and of course this led to a big sell. Okay, you can see it right there. It led to a big sell, got to 30, and you should know that once it gets to 30, you should close your trade at that point. Okay, but if you don't want to close your trade, probably you feel that it's still going to sell more, then you should lock up 80% of your profit at this point, and of course I'll expose 20% of it into the market in order to see if you will make more profit. And if you had done that, you would have made more profit, because it eventually got to around 10 before it changed the direction of the market. Okay, let's see for a buy. The buy started from this support zone. It was unable to break out from there, so we got our entry point signal around there for a buy, and of course we also got it confirmed around here. Okay, you can see it has gotten below 30 already, which means that it has oversold. And of course, if there is no breakout from here, then definitely it should go back into an uptrend, and that's what happened. Okay, so we got the signal, and of course it bought for a very long time, and of course, like I said, you should always close your trade once you get to 70. If you don't want to close it, make sure you lock up 80% of the profit in order for you to make more profit in the market. Okay, so it is as easy as that. So guys, you can go ahead and try out this strategy right now, and let me know in the comment section if it works for you. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you love any of the indicators, the custom made indicators, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Thank you, and God bless you.